If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming. And if you're not new here and you're part of the Honeycomb crew because you are subscribed, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for coming back. It's been a while since I posted a video, and this video is really special because I have three, I can't count, 3 special guests with me today to do my makeup. Are you ready? Let's introduce one of them. Kyrie, come here. This is my little cousin Kyrie. He will be doing this side of my face today. So it's gonna be interesting. Now, Cameron, come here. This is my little cousin Cameron. He will also be doing my face today. It's gonna be a beauty blast. I'm not stealing Jim Charles' ideas. Please do not hate me in the comments or whatever like that. But I am taking it for a moment just to do a video with my cousin because they both wanted to do my face, and I decided that it would be cool, you know. Yeah. And we have another special. Oh, okay. Thank you. Bye. Love you too. Bye. Now for our third guest, Elijah. Get over here. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, this is Elijah. He is not gonna be doing my face necessarily, but he will be here for moral support. So it's okay. Oh, Elijah, don't look so sad. You'll be able to paint my face too, okay? You can help them out, okay? At times, okay? Don't worry, it's gonna be a main beauty blot between them two though for right now, okay? Okay. Alright, so now that these two lovely gentlemen will be doing my face. Okay, ready, both of you? So I'm gonna split down my split down my face in the middle so you guys know which side is yours, okay? Side you're standing on is the side you're gonna work on. Now, first step in this beauty panel, oh my god, is primer. So who's ready to put on primer? Me. Now you have a couple primers to choose from. They get to choose between the Hydra Touch primer, NYX, the Fenty Beauty primer, and the Hydra Touch oil primer. I choose the first one. Choose the first one. The first one? Okay, you choose the first one. Here you go. I choose the second one. You choose this one. Okay, I don't know if there's anything. I choose the third one. Okay, you choose the third one. Yes, just rub it in my face as you would. Fenty Beauty. Okay, lift it up because it's expensive. So just, yes, take it off my jacket. Nice jacket.
Sorry, but you treat like this.
Are you applying it the way I did on you?
Yes.
Oh, let's see. They have, oh gosh. They have, okay, stop. That's enough. That's all you need. That's all I need. You are going to spread that all over my face. That's all you need. And it's only half my face. Okay. Is it working?
No, I do. No.
Yes. It's okay.
I did make it.
Boys, tell them about your experience with makeup. Oh, do not go on my eye.
I have no experience. I have experience because she does my makeup all the time. She did for Halloween the year before.
So guys, what we're gonna do now is foundation. I'm gonna let them pick out of my brushes. I'm not gonna give them a foundation brush. I'm just gonna tell them which ones are foundation brush and then let them pick what other brushes they want.
Foundation brushes are the puffy ones.
That's incorrect. They get to pick between 2 foundations, the Fenty Beauty foundation and the NARS foundation.
I didn't get to pick.
Oh, I'm sorry, let's pick one. So you pick the NARS? What do you pick, Kyrie?
I picked this one.
Okay. I feel like whichever side I put it on, they pick it on, so it doesn't matter.
It's good. It's not tiny.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, make sure you guys don't get it in my hair.
This is like painting, so it's easy.
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe you can do designs on your hands.
Nope. You need more.
Elijah, no.
Oh, you need more. Okay, Kyrie. Kyrie's getting
Elijah,
more.
no one can see.
Kyrie's getting a lot more. Kyrie just put like a whole bunch on his brush. Like a lot.
Well, this one is pink. I love it.
A whole bunch over you.
I just put a little smidge.
And it's cool.
So you look
It's
fine
like-
on my end.
Pumpkin pie.
Kind.
This side pumpkin.
Doesn't go on my eye.
Sorry.
It looks like you're super. What? Ah! I should
My
have.
side is mess.
Whoa! I should have gave you this.
Whoa.
That looks weird.
What looks weird?
Kyrie.
Pumpkin pie.
Right? No more. Okay.
Okay, pumpkin pie is almost done.
Look at this brush, guys. It was perfectly brand new. Like Okay, we have concealer now. Now you can choose to use concealer, you can choose not. It works both ways, but these are all concealers, and you can pick one. You pick that one?
This.
That one?
We didn't pick the ones on the
this?
side.
Huh? It doesn't matter what color it is, I still use it. And you can still use that foundation brush you were using before.
You look like you're gonna wrestle someone.
Kai, you went over the line. Touch my face with it. Kyrie is Kyrie is full coverage. Kyrie's a full coverage sister. I'm scared of you.
Doing the Egyptian look. Egyptian look.
You're gonna have to blend this in, so it's not gonna stay like this. Are you guys done? You guys done?
I'm done.
You done? Kyrie, are you done? You done, Kai? Because you're only supposed to put it on the chin, and you're over here, so... There's the brush you're using for, now blend that out. You guys know what I mean by blending?
Yes, we take it off.
Okay,
Sissy,
sure. Yes.
please close your eye.
You know we're just cleaning this off, right?
Kai, be a little gentle. Stop!
Let me do my job. Let me do my job.
This is a horrible idea.
My job is to buy Black Panther Avengers and color.
Doing this again.
And color.
I should have just made you do it on me.
This is.
It's not painful, right, Sissy? It isn't so much color. I'm doing an art.
What? You're
We're only gonna use one powder because I am not wasting my expensive powder on this. Okay, that's all I have
Mine
to
is-
say. Okay, now I have two different contours. I have the Fenty Beauty contour and the LA Girl contour.
this is
I know, I already picked it.
Well, both of you can use it. It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll just use it.
Now listen. Contour goes here. Contour goes here. And contour goes under here. You understand?
Under your chin, on your cheeks, and on your forehead.
Like that. My cheeks and forehead. Okay, go ahead. No.
I'm gonna drop it.
No! If I say it goes like this, why you got it? If I say it goes like this!
That's what I got. We're gonna rub it in, right?
Good job.
Kai, you're not supposed to be drawing a beard.
How do you get this?
I'm waiting for my paint.
What are you saying? I need
Okay,
Jesus
Cameron,
or
let me use that,
something?
let me use that.
Like,
Wait,
cross on my face.
This
You
is
done, Kai?
Kyrie, you take so long.
Cameron, are you done?
That's because I want
Yeah.
it to be perfect.
Sissy.
Mine is perfect.
No, it's not.
Elijah, you wanna go wait downstairs?
It's disgusting.
I'm about to become Flashback Mary up in here.
Look what
Like,
I found.
Kyrie, all that powder! Tap!
Perfect. Where does it go? Everywhere.
You can, but like, no, you can't. Only here.
Look what I found. Sissy. Sissy.
I am so bad.
All right, tell me when you're done with the eyes.
Your shirt is wrong.
Look. Look.
No, it's fine. Powder comes off really easy. All
Look.
right, and on the chin, wherever you put the concealer, which for Kyrie is everywhere. Kyrie, okay. All right, stop. You're getting it all in my hair.
Oh,
You really got it all in my hair.
Oh, the beard looking thing is
I
gone.
write down. There.
Is this what they think I look like whenever I leave the house?
You
Like,
look pale.
you made me look pale. Up in my eye and stuff. Now listen, I'm just gonna prime my eyelids real
Hey, I thought you can't do it. Where do I put it?
on my eye. So you have to be. Wait, you both use the same color?
Yep.
Yep.
But I'm not just gonna use metallic blue. I'm also gonna. Wait,
Close
don't
your
I have to wash this off first?
Just close them.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It's already blue.
Metallic purple.
Metallic.
Mix it up with the blue.
I'm not gonna look.
You're not gonna look. Oh, this is the only part that looks.
You look like a rainbow.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna make it rainbow.
Well, do you want to help them pick colors?
Uh-oh.
Look like fine.
Blooper.
Okay, don't go too deep into the palette. Stop digging. Stop.
How did you know that?
Wow. Cool.
Yeah,
When you guys are all done, I'll do a reaction. I kind of opened my eyes and saw a little bit, but
after watching my
Open one eye.
no, because I don't see Kyrie's. If y'all feel bad for me, or actually, if y'all don't feel bad for me, you should comment down below and tell me how you don't feel bad for me. Or maybe if you do feel bad for me.
Silver. I mean,
And
silver.
send us a video of your little cousin.
Here's my reaction to
Our terrible work.
this, and then this little bad bunny stupid had to do this like so ridiculous. Like I wasn't gonna feel it being done on my face or something.
There's so much taking off stuff. There's so much.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there
One's
is.
called blending, the other is this one's taking off, but the other stuff is called blending. See how it disappeared on my Kyrie's isn't gonna disappear. It's gonna be on my face forever.
I can't move that.
I'm gonna die with this.
Oh, why how did that?
Power. Kyrie, don't mess it up.
Thank you.
No.
You said no? You said no,
Blush is actually
Elijah?
the best.
Yes.
Elijah doesn't like
No, I
the-
think the eyeshadow
I
is the
see
best.
a trio.
No, it's
and
not.
the-
Kyrie, what are you doing? Ah!
Let me see.
No, you're getting to be annoyed. Oh, that's terrible.
Hey, that was
Rude!
I always go rushing because I had to, because camera is doing it so fast. Oh, there's one more mustache. Oh,
yeah,
there's a
because I
little
got
bit.
rid of it.
No, you didn't.
And it also can go on my nose.
Oh, like Rudolph.
You're on my side.
I don't care. I didn't even let them
What
do
is
that.
it supposed to look like?
Where? For?
Not this! Not this.
Wait, where am I supposed to get?
Here. Yeah. Fine, not a lip.
Hey, that's the first thing I actually did good.
Yes, congratulations.
Ah, this red.
Okay.
This is gonna go.
Whoa.
Don't open your mouth a little.
That
Lips! Karen, lips! It goes on my lips! It goes on my lips! Kyrie, be careful.
He did it. We know nothing.
I actually barely knew with lips.
This is why I want Kamaria to do.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I want these two to describe what they have created.
This side, I don't.
You don't, what is the name? You don't have a name for this?
Beautiful power.
Beautiful power.
My name for it.
My name is Sean.
My name for it is Galaxy.
It's Galaxy. It's Galaxy.
Karen,
Alright, I want to thank these boys for coming on to my show today. Thank you so much. I literally have no idea why I did this. I thought it would be a good idea. I didn't think it was going to get this bad. But I forgot how this one's evil. And
rich.
that one, he's not evil, but he doesn't know how to do makeup. So, yeah. Alright.
What?
Now I'm going to kick them out of my room and never hopefully see them again. Goodbye, boys! Get out! Get out. Get out.
Yeah, because I was
Come, Elijah, come. Elijah wants to put his final touches on the look. So how about you do me a favor and you beat it all in. You beat and blend it in, okay? Hit my face a lot with it. Go ahead.
I'm still here.
Yes, Cameron.
I'm going back downstairs.
Good job. You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do I look good, Elijah? The truth. Tell me the truth. Do I look beautiful? Rainbow? Do I look like a rainbow? Do I look like a rainbow? What type of rainbow you looking at? That wasn't the question. Did you put highlighter on you? This kid has highlighter on his chin. You put highlighter on your face. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys staying till the end and watching how this came out. I don't know what they did because my face is actually kind of burning. if you guys like me doing videos with them, I would definitely do more in the future. Please like this video. I do not want to have done this for absolutely nothing. Like OMG, I look like Joker's ex. Like freaking Harley Quinn was like the upgrade from me. Seriously. Looked like we had the same makeup style, but she just knew how to do it better. He was like, oh, she the one. And I was like, whatever, I still look good. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, that's what it looks like, honestly. But, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bum, 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 bum.